Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to pause the sync for your OneDrive desktop application. Now let us begin. Do note that this right here is the application for OneDrive desktop. If you don't know how to download it or log into your account, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to pause the sync. Well, right here, this is the interface, and at the top right of this application, you will see a button like this that is like a gear. Simply click on it right now. And right here, you can see something like pause syncing. Click on this button right here. It's gonna give you a few options like 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or simply quit OneDrive. Well, it's up to you. Simply select for how much time you want to pause syncing. For now, I'm simply gonna select 2 hours. And guys, that's it. That's how you pause syncing for your OneDrive desktop application. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.